how to log in to your blockchain wallet account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your blockchain account. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you have downloaded your blockchain application from the App Store or Play Store. If you are using iPhone, simply get it on App Store and simply open it for the first time. And once you open it, you will be seeing this interface where you can see create your account option and already have an account. So we have already have an account. So we already have an account. That means we are going to use our existing account. So simply click on I already have an account and just enter your mail like this and wait for some time for it to load. And it will send you to verify your request. Simply check your mail and you just have to verify your request, and after that simply enter your password which you used earlier and click on continue, and it will ask you to enter your pin, and just like that you have successfully entered your blockchain account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.